Here we have a Bose Solo 5 TV speaker and the power is not turning on, and I'm checking the volts, the AC power adapter. It has 20 volts, and I'm going to check the circuit if there is a 20 volts coming from the AC power adapter. On this cap runs 20 volts and we get 20 volts. These cups we do not have bolts. I'm not getting any bolts on that two cups, and here I'm getting 20, but on this side, which is the output side coming from the regulator, it has no bolts. Now I'm going to take this IC out. IC is out, and do the cleaning. This is the new IC. We have the same part number 54335A. Okay, this IC, if you apply heat, it will automatically align. After aligning, I'm going to push down the IC to sit in place properly. Resolder on both pins to make it sure that it is connected to the board. And do the cleaning again. Checking the solder, it seems good. And also on the other side, it seems good. It's clean. Now we're going to test the volts. Before, we are not getting any volts on the output. Here, before we do not have volts, but now we have positive 5 volts here and positive 5 volts. Actually, these two cups are connected on the same line. I'm using IR remote to power on the speaker. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell icon so that you will get updated on our next video. Thank you for watching, and God bless.